Hello, and welcome to this video on an integral of a trigonometric function. We're going to integrate sine to the 5 of x times cosine of x, that is squared dx. So let's see how we can work with this integral. Here the idea is to rewrite the integral in a way that we see a function in terms of sine and then multiplied by cosine dx, or a function in terms of cosine and then multiplied by sine of x dx or something like that, so that we get to use substitution. As we can see, we have a fifth power of sine. That fifth power can be decomposed into two parts. We have sine to the 5 of x, cosine squared of x is the same as sine to the 4 times sine of x, and then times cosine squared of x dx. And it's good to see an even power of sine, because then we can write that even power as a power of sine squared. And sine squared is written in terms of cosine, so that we will end up with the function written in terms of cosine times sine of x dx, and then the substitution u equals cosine will be useful. So here we have the integral of, and sine squared of x is 1 minus cosine squared of x. So all that is squared times the cosine squared of x, and then times sine of x dx. And when we introduce u equals cosine of x, we find that du is sine of x with a negative sign times the x. So negative du is sine of x dx. And we are working with the integral of 1 minus u squared times u squared times negative du. This is one of the many ways to work with this integral. So here we have minus the integral, and we can square the binomial by doing the square of the first term minus twice the first term times the second term plus the second term squared, and then times u squared du. So we're taking the integral of 1 times u squared times negative 1 minus u squared. Minus times minus sign gives us a positive twice u to the 4, and then negative u to the 6. So we get minus u cubed divided by 3 plus 2/5 of u to the 5 minus u to the 7 divided by 7 plus a constant c. So the integral we have here is equal to, let's go back to x, minus cosine cubed of x divided by 3 plus 2/5 of cosine of x to the 5th power, and then plus cosine to the 7th power divided by 7, and then plus a constant c. So the main idea here is, as I said before, is to rewrite the integrand as something in terms of sine multiplied by cosine of x dx, or something in terms of cosine multiplied by sine of x dx. That's the main idea here. All right. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have questions, please write comments. I will be happy to help. Bye-bye.